Now that you've got a few records in there, let's apply a little bit of table data formatting. Things like currency. That amount that we have inside there for the bill, that should be formatted as a currency amount, right? A currency formatting. So let's try that one out first. First step, so I'm going to highlight all of the cells within there. Now I did expand my table out a little bit more in anticipation that there may be additional bills within this month. So if you'd like, you can pull that table down to row 30, roughly. If you got more than that, great, right? Wherever you're at inside there. But let's highlight those cells. With them highlighted, I'm just going to go to my Home tab. I'm going to go into the Numbers section, and I'll just hit the Currency Formatting option there. Now, your currency, depending on what region of the world you're in, is going to look different, right? Or might look different. Mine, I've got the dollar currency symbol. I've got the decimal place in there, and I don't have anything over 1,000, but if I did, I can start bringing, or it would start to bring in the commas. Okay? So whatever formatting for currency you have in your region, we're good to go. Now, I don't currently have the actual or the difference, but I'm going to anticipate it. It'll come. So I'll just highlight those cells, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'll hit the currency formatting once again. Okay? Now, nothing currently showing up in there, but those cells are now formatted with the currency formatting. So once we drop in the values, the calculations, they'll already be formatted for us. Now, something else I like to do is the bill column and the due, and probably all of them, I want to increase the column width here just to give it a little bit of breathing room. So I can grab in between B and C here, right in between those two columns, and I'll just drag over a little bit just to increase the size, especially if you got something much larger like health insurance, right? We want to make sure that that fits in there. I'll do the same with the date, create a little bit of breathing room in that column, drag this over a little bit, and in anticipation of this, I'll make these a little bit wider as well. It's something small, but we do want that table to look good and make it easy to read. So let's get your currency in there. Let's increase your column width. And if you'd like to, you can do some formatting with your dates as well. If you'd like, you can grab that, hop up to your Home tab, Number section, and we can see it's currently formatted as a date. But if I hit the drop down, you do have a few different date formats you can choose from, as well as some more number formatting where you can get into some other options. So whatever you like to do, but let's get some formatting on this table.